Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at taking away from 10. So we will be working on lesson 12, and you should have your counters or your Unifix cubes ready in case you need to use those to do your math. So when we look at the first one, it says Math in My World. It says there are 10 tigers playing in a field. So if I'm going to have 10, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remember, I like to do 5 groups to make my math more efficient. So then I'm going to add in the next one, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 tigers playing in the field. So I'm going to write that right here because I know that's how many tigers I'm going to start with. Then it tells me 4 of those tigers go away. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them go away, I'm going to write 10 minus 4 because 4 left equals how many tigers do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tigers left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now, if I remember to set up in my 5 group, then when I go back to count, I shouldn't have to count each one of these because I know it's 5. So I should be able to go 5 and add 1 more, 6. I still have 6 tigers left. All right, if you go to the back of your paper, we're going to do a little bit of guided practice together, and then you'll finish this on your own. So our paper tells us there are lots of ways to take from 10. So we're just going to practice some ways to do that. If you need to use counters, then have your counters ready. You can use your 2 colored counters, you can use your Unifix cubes, and if you need to, you can even draw pictures. So if you look at the first one, they've done the first one for us. And it says there are 10. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 5. And then they're going to take away 5 of them. So they have just X'd those first ones out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. The difference is 5. If I subtract 7 from 10, 10 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1, 2, 3 left. The difference between 10 and 7 is 3. So you're going to start with either 10 cubes, 10 counters, or if you need to, you can just do a drawing. And you're going to write different ways that we can subtract from 10. So if I have my 10 counters here, so my first one says 10 minus, how many do I want to take away? Well, let's just keep them in order because that makes it easiest. What if I just take 1 away? 10 minus 1 leaves me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives me 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9. I'm going to go over here to number 2. If I have 10, I already took 1 away, so this time let's just take 2 away. So 10 minus 2 is, we know this is 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 leaves 8. The difference is 8. So if I bring those back so I have my group of 10 to start with, I'm going to go down to number 3. So I did 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Now I'm going to do 10 minus, I'm going to do 3 so I don't have to think about which numbers I've used and which ones I still have. So another way is to go 3. So I'm going to take 3 away. I know this is 5, so I don't need to count them all. 5, 6, 7. I have 7 left. So if you don't want to use counters and you just want to draw it, then I'm going to have to start with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took 3, so now I'm going to take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus 4, I have 5 on the top, plus 1 more is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Number 5. So I've used 1, I've used 2, I've used 3, and 4. So now I'm going to use 5. 10 minus 5. So again, if I need to draw a picture, I'm going to draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what I started with. I'm going to cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves me one group of 5. I have 5 left. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next I need the number 6. If you can already do this in your head, you can visualize a picture there and you don't need to draw, and you know that 10 minus 6 is 4, then just do it that way. So I'm going to draw a picture just to check our work and make sure it's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left over. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. I could do that one here also. Again, if I want to draw a picture to check my work, I can draw a picture to check my work. So I've already used through 7. So my last one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 7, so now I'm going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 leaves 2. 1, 2. I have 2 left over. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. So then the question is, when would you use subtraction in a real world situation? We use subtraction when we're going to take part of a group away, or if we're going to give things away, or when we want to find the difference between two numbers. That's when we're going to use subtraction. So you need to finish this. Then you should do the independent practice and the homework. Please remember, the only page you need to return back to us is the homework page. Bye!